Hello YouTube, my name is Froylan and welcome to another episode of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're going to take a look at the newly restocked Adidas Alpha Edge 4D in white, so stick around. This shoe was first released last November of 2018 and was recently restocked last March 30. And we have our pair for quite a while now, but we haven't done a review yet. So here it is, the Adidas Alpha Edge 4D in white. So let's take a look. There you go. Now let's take a closer look. Let's start with the upper. The upper is made out of this one-piece prime knit material, so it gives the shoe a sock-like fit. Now the lace loops has a TPU overlays to support, supplied with flat laces. And then at the back you have the pull tab here. Also, the shoe is reinforced on the lateral and medial side with these stitchings. So the first stitching is in a gray color, so it's zigzag this way. And there's another stitching. This one is with a lighter gray color. It zigzagged this way, so it actually crisscross. And this stitching is made out of a fiber that is fused with TPU. Adidas called this forged fiber, so it gives the shoe lateral support. So if you're moving lateral, it supports your foot. Also, you have a heel cup here. This one is very stiff. And there's an Adidas branding here in gray, also in the tongue pad. Now let's look at the midsole. The midsole is made out of full-length 4D material. This one is made out of carbon resin, and it's actually very impressive how they manufacture this midsole. Anyway, it gives you enough cushioning, but not too much. Also, and then we have the outsole. It's made out of this continental rubber in white. It actually gives you a good, very good traction in wet and dry condition. That's it for the shoe. Adidas designed this shoe as an all-around performance cross trainer, and actually I think they did a good job. First, let's look at the upper. So the private upper was reinforced with the forged fiber material, and what it actually did is it made the upper stiffer on the lateral and medial side without adding other materials. Then you have the 4D midsole, which gives you adequate cushioning when you're doing shorter runs and sprints. And it's also stiff enough to give you stability during jumping and when you're carrying a load. Overall, I think this is a very good sneaker. You have premium materials, you have Prime Knit, 4D midsole, Continental outsole, and this one will perform really well when doing shorter runs, sprints, doing high intensity workout and lifting weights. But at the $300 US retail, there's gonna be a lot of more affordable option that will perform as well as this one.
Before we end this video, I just want to thank everyone that participated during our recent giveaway which ended last March 31st. Unfortunately, we weren't able to give out the Jordans because we weren't able to reach the quota. However, as a token of appreciation for all those that participated, we will be giving away 6 of these Lifestyles and Sneakers t-shirt in 3M reflective printing. So we will be announcing the winners of these shirts on our video this weekend. Now for the 6 Jordans, we're currently in collaboration with Mr. Carlo Ople, and we're still finalizing the details of the mechanics for the giveaway of these Air Jordans. So watch out for our upcoming videos to see the new mechanics.
I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.